Hi, in this video we take a closer look at the CT sensor. Just plug in the USB cable and position the sensor in the CT. Place the sensor in the headrest. Make sure to align it in isocenter with the help of the laser beam. Now we just connect the USB cable to the base unit and the system is ready to measure. We make our first exposure and we get 4 parameters: dose, exposure time, dose length and dose rate. And with the dose rate we also get the waveform. And now we can see that this waveform is not straight. If it's straight, the sensor is in the center, and when it's not straight we know that we need to reposition the sensor, so we do that. So now that we have centered the sensor, we make a new exposure. And the waveform looks straight and nice, so we know we're in the center, meaning we get accurate values. Now we have made measurements free in air, and it's time to do measurements in phantom. With the waveform capability of X2, we have good help when we do this. Place the CT sensor in the peripheral hole and move the phantom into position. So now we make exposure in the phantom, and the first shot is the peripheral exposure. If we look at the waveform, we see we have one major peak and one small peak, and in this case there is a chance that we pick up a little bit of radiation that is overlapping, because the radiation is slightly more than 360 degrees. So to be on the safe side, we make a new exposure. Now we only have one peak, so we can be sure that this measurement is within specification. In addition to measurement with the base unit, we can also use a computer with the X2 View software on it. The X2 View software, we can store data or we can forward the data to an Excel measurement sheet. And we have made a nice CTDI measurement template, so we can do this workflow here and now. So now I have started the X2 View software, and in the background also the measurement template in Microsoft Excel. And we make an exposure. And here we see the data coming in. And this is what it looks like in the Excel template.